Upon entering, you're greeted by a grand foyer that sets the tone for the exceptional experience that awaits. Expansive floor-to-ceiling windows bathe the interiors in natural light, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding desert landscape. The open-concept living spaces seamlessly blend form and function, creating an atmosphere of effortless luxury. Designed with entertaining in mind, the home boasts a gourmet kitchen equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and a spacious island for culinary endeavors. The dining area, adorned with designer fixtures and bespoke furnishings, provides the perfect backdrop for memorable gatherings with friends and family.